Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the IPTV Smarters app to your Firesticks or Android TVs. It's an amazing IPTV player that you can use totally for free to stream M3U links or extra code providers. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get IPTV Smarters to your device as well as how to properly set it up. And first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and now in the search bar, we'll need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still gotta set it up. So in order to properly set up Downloader on your Firestick, we need to go to Settings. So we click on that button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you need to go to Install Unknown Apps, open it, and from here you'll have to locate Downloader and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is located right here, we open it, and there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Slovenia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go straight to the list of apps on your device now, and go to Downloader. So we open it up, wait until the app loads for you, and then here on the left side menu, it is very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you have clicked on Home, and now in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 47827. So once again, the code is 47827. That's the code that you have to enter in the Downloader application. Then you need to click on Go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now in just under a couple of moments the download will start. If it does not start, you can just click on the green click here button, but for me it started without clicking on any additional buttons. So now in just a couple of seconds the app will be finally installed to your Firestick device. Then you just click on install, and now the app will be finally installed on your Firestick device. The app once again is called IPTV Smarters Pro. And now after the app has been installed, do not click on open yet. Instead you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, you open it, and there's the IPTV Smarters application, which we have just downloaded to your device. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way IPTV Smarters is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's finally open IPTV Smarters application. There, at this step, you have to select your device type. In our case it's of course TV. And then we click on save. Then we have to accept the license agreement, so we click on accept. And now pretty much it depends on your live TV provider. So if your live TV provider gave you an extreme code, in that case you need to click on extreme codes, and then here add any name to your playlist, and after that enter the username, the password, and a link which were given to you by your live TV provider. Alternatively, if you were given an M3U link, you would need to go back in the app and click on M3U playlist instead. So you gotta click on it, click allow here, and then add any name, and after that upload the playlist as a file, or alternatively enter it as a link. Then you click on the add a playlist button, and the playlist is going to appear right here in the list of playlists in your application. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.